In this video, I will show you how to convert Notepad to PDF quickly and effortlessly. Whether you need it for sharing, printing or archiving, this guide will help you save your Notepad or TXT file as PDF document without use of third-party apps. First, open Notepad or TXT file that you wish to convert to PDF. Now to convert to PDF, click File option on the top menu. Now click Print. In the Print dialog box, in the Printer option, keep option as Microsoft Print to PDF. Next, click Print button. Assign a name for your PDF and select the location to save the file. Click Save and new PDF file will be created at the selected location. So here is the PDF file that we just created. So that is how you can convert Notepad to PDF on Windows PC. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.